Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the indexing API in your Google Cloud project and creating a service account. Once done, download the JSON key and store it securely. You will use it to sign requests. Make sure your site is verified in Search Console and explicitly grant the service account access. The API won't accept requests from unverified owners. Now that credentials are ready, you're positioned to authenticate and send your first index/update notification immediately. You now authenticate using the JSON key with a JWT or official client libraries to get an access token. This is how Google recognizes your site. Next, construct a post to the index notifications endpoint with the token in the authorization header. Include the exact URL and choose the correct notification type: URL updated to request indexing or URL deleted to remove. Be precise about path and canonicalization, and batch only supported content types to avoid. You finish by inspecting the API response. Success returns a request ID. Errors include status codes and messages. If you hit quotas or transient errors, implement exponential backoff and retry only safe operations. Make sure to log requests and responses for auditing and debugging. If notifications are rejected, verify the service account has proper Search Console permissions, that the site URL exactly matches, and that you used the correct endpoint and notification type. Those checks resolve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.